Hello everyone, this is Larry. I am here at Michelle Radley Chevrolet. I am doing a review on this beautiful Equinox. It's an LT and with 4,700 miles, and we have it listed online. And I'm gonna do a little um, review right now. Let's see, I'm gonna drive a little bit back and let's go to the front. Okay, so we're moving forward, and this is how this beautiful Equinox look like. So we're moving forward, and this one has the options where you can see if you're wearing the seatbelt. And I am not driving with seatbelt on right now because I just moved forward for like the review. And miles on this beautiful vehicle are 4,700. As you can see, we already see the options here. It has advanced driving and all-wheel drive, all the goodies, all the good stuff right here. So, and then we can change to low mode and disengage, and then we can start the or turn off the um, driving mode. We do drive assist with gap. Okay, so we can increase it. And here I like to use that one when I'm driving these vehicles because here we can increase the miles that we want to set the cruise control at, even if the vehicle in front of us is driving lower than the speed that we have it, we keep up with them. So we keep our distance with this other button right here. So I am using the controls here on my cruise control area. So I have collision assists, as you can see over here. We have this, and then we set the distance with this button right here. So oops, it's not focusing. Okay, so right there. Okay, and the speed we can increase it by going like this. Okay, and we can turn off the cruise control like this just by pressing here, or we can engage it like this. Alright, that's what I am showing you. It's very safe to drive, it's very nice, and we have a nice infotainment. We have wireless charging on this one, and let's show you how we shift to parking, and then we move the stock up here and down for driving. And as you can see, we have the driving there, and if we want to do reverse, we just go like that, and our backup camera turns on. Then we have piano buttons for the climate control. Okay, and we can change how we have a heated steering wheel, and then how we see our menu here. Okay, so we can change it as we want it. That's the regular one. We can see pretty much everything. So what am I doing? I'm changing here. Okay, so let's put it in parking right now, and I'm changing the modes. And okay, so we have the GPS, we have our driving assist, speed, and this is the regular one. Usually I'm used to this one, and then we have the infotainment there, and then we can just put it on mute. Okay, and then we can turn the volume up and down. Okay, so that's it.